What if an asteroid hit America? Imagine a giant rock from space, called an asteroid, traveling toward Earth at thousands of miles per hour. Now imagine it's heading straight for America. What would happen? How much destruction would it cause? Could we survive it? In this video, we'll explore what might happen if an asteroid hit America and the effects it could have on the whole world. First, let's think about the size of the asteroid. Asteroids come in many sizes, from just a few feet wide to hundreds of miles across. For this scenario, let's imagine an asteroid similar to the one that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago, about 6 miles wide. An asteroid this big would release energy equal to billions of nuclear bombs. It wouldn't just cause damage, it would completely change the world. Now, let's imagine this asteroid hits somewhere in the middle of the United States, like Kansas. The first thing it would do is create a massive explosion, forming a crater several miles deep and hundreds of miles wide. Everything within 1,000 miles would be destroyed in seconds. Cities like Denver, Dallas, and Chicago would be completely wiped out. The heat from the impact would cause huge fires across multiple states. A powerful shockwave would flatten buildings, forests, and mountains. Anything or anyone near the impact would not survive. But the destruction wouldn't stop there. The explosion would send dust and debris high into the atmosphere. This would block sunlight for months, causing what scientists call an impact winter. Temperatures would drop and the weather would change drastically. Crops wouldn't grow, which means food would run out. Without enough food, millions or even billions of people around the world could die. Global economies would collapse as countries struggled to survive. If the asteroid hit near the ocean, the damage could be even worse. A huge tsunami with waves hundreds of feet high would crash into coastal cities like Los Angeles, Miami, or New York. These waves could destroy everything for miles inland. The impact could also trigger earthquakes and even volcanic eruptions, causing even more destruction. Earth's surface would be completely changed. In the first few hours, millions of lives would be lost. Cities, buildings, and nature would be destroyed. But the long-term effects would be even worse. Without sunlight, Earth would get very cold. Plants and animals might not survive. Scientists say it could take decades or even hundreds of years for Earth to recover. Humans might not survive such a disaster. So, could we stop an asteroid before it hits Earth? Space agencies like NASA are working on ways to protect us. In 2022, NASA tested a system called DART, where they crashed a spacecraft into an asteroid to change its path. This is a big step forward, but if we discover an asteroid just weeks before it's about to hit us, we might not have enough time to stop it. Asteroids have hit Earth before, and the one that wiped out the dinosaurs was huge, but smaller impacts have also caused big damage. For example, in 1908, a smaller asteroid hit Siberia and flattened 800 square miles of forest. If something like that happened in a city today, the loss of life would be unimaginable. Even if we can't stop an asteroid, we can prepare for the damage. Governments could build early warning systems and create evacuation plans. They could even build underground shelters to keep people safe. As individuals, we can support space research and stay informed. This helps us work together as a planet to face the danger. An asteroid hitting America, or any part of Earth, would be a disaster for everyone. It's a reminder of how fragile our planet is and why we need to work together to protect it. Humans have always found ways to survive and overcome challenges. The question is, will we be ready when the time comes? Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe for more of Black Universe. See you in the next video.